Okay, Rogue Transmission here. Looks like it's the beginning of a new game. 300 ticket count each. Domination. Let me get my bearings. First game of the day. I'm going to run in a Scout class. M416. The 93 hours of my handgun, defibrillator, medic bag, and the RGO impact. And as you can see, I'm running an optic. I like that HD33, green laser sight, suppressor, angled grip, and look at that nice looking camo. Wow, sexy. All right, so let's get to it.
Attack this objective.
All right, there's a dude up at Bravo. No, maybe not.
Objective.
Somebody is sniping me. Somebody somewhere. Look at that fucking bullet came from up here. Oh, there he is. Let me get out of here. I gotta get out of here.
Вот медпакет, возьми.
Okay. All right. Oh, jeez, what is that?
We have just.
All right, let me go see if I can get Bravo.
Alpha.
Okay, I'm capturing Bravo. Let me try to resuscitate this guy. Nope.
Objective Bravo has been neutralized.
All right, enemies are en route. Let's try to flank them around back. I knew I heard him. I knew I heard that fucker down here. All right, there's one over to the right.
We just lost objective Charlie.
Well, I'm dead. God, so I just missed him. I just missed him. There's a dude right here. Fuck! That's one thing I'm not a big fan of in Battlefield is you don't know if the enemy is above you or below you. Alright. Looks like enemy has Charlie and Bravo. Let's go for Charlie. Charlie sucks because it's out in the open. Come on, dude! Somebody's shooting right behind me. Look at these spawn points. God. I mean, the enemy soldier spawned right behind me. You know? Okay. Now, I'm not off to a good start, but we are winning. Look at this fucker. Look at this guy. I can't get him with the M16. There we go. There we go. I don't know why they're so interested in getting up there. I mean, oh, see? Good. Look at that guy. I don't know what he's rocking. That's got to be a shotgun. Fuck it. I don't think this is a way to get up to, Yep, here we go. Oh, shit! Anytime you go for an objective, you know, I mean, it's simple, dynamic. You go up there and you clear the area before you go for the... Look at this.
Обнаружен вражеский солдат.
Yep, you go before you clear the objective. You know what? I suck ass, bro. Alright, look at they're spawning over here. Come on, come on. There we go. There we go, dog.
Вот тебе медпакет.
Still one over here. Yep.
Бросаю гранату.
Oh, three of them. Shit.
Objective Charlie has been neutralized. Be advised.
Oh, they set up a spawn beacon. Not anymore! Not anymore! Oh, I'm gonna try to get this dude's dog tag. Where's he at? Where's this fucker at? Come on. Where's he he at? I just saw him. Yeah, maybe my guys took him out. I don't know. All right. Let's try to nab some dog tags. Oh, C's being compromised. Here, take some help, bro.
Медицинская помощь.
Now, I think that was bullshit, but that kill, assist counts as a kill, so that's good. Okay, well, we're up pretty good here, 239 to 181. All right, looks like our guy was. That's the enemy going in there. He just took out one of our guys, going for B. I'm gonna come right behind his ass.
I've taken control of objective Alpha. Бросаю гранату!
Yeah, don't try that shit on me, man.
Тебе
All right, let's
медпакет!
spray Bravo. Oh, there's the sniper. Nope, that's one of my guys. All right, well, we got Bravo, so there he is. Took that cat out. All right.
Вот медпакет, возьми!
I feel like there's somebody behind me. Oh, there he is.
Вижу, фракцию Neutralize снайпер! objective Charlie.
Yeah, man, get out of my way, dude. We got two. It looks like you have two snipers back there.
Listen up.
They're
We're
just
taking
trying to.
control of objective Charlie.
Yeah, they're just trying to take pot shots. They got a little, they got claymores set up over there. I'm getting out of here. Well, they're holding all objectives, Alpha, Bravo, and Charlie, so we're doing good. I mean, we're doing fantastic. Team's rocking, bro. Oh. Oh, well. Oh, shit. All right, maybe I get this dude's dog tag. All right, here we go. Come on, we're. Oh, well, my guy took him out. That's fine, too. I'm sitting there looking up there, and, well, I took him out as well, so. Game of domination, man. So far. Yeah, I don't know if that dude's up top. Oh, no. M416, bro, is a solid weapon, dude. Accurate. One of the fastest reloading assault weapons, I think. Look at that. Oh, there's somebody right behind me. Oh, you fucking grenade it.
Медпакет, возьми! Be advised, we have now lost objective.
I didn't even see that. Oh, that came right from behind me. An AEK 971, that fires at 900 rounds per minute. I'm sure you know that, but can't control it like M416 though. I'm gonna go back over their spawn point. They keep spawning over here.
Men, attack these objectives!
Look at, yeah, my guy's already on one. Yeah.
Бросаю гранату!
Sweet, so we're looking good right there. Let me flank around Charlie. We got several guys on Charlie. Several guys on Charlie. Oh, there he is, there he is.
Objective Alpha has been lost.
Look how fast that 416 reloads. There's a dude right here. Where is he? You know, sometimes it's hard to tell. Oh, see? Getting shot in the ass. Alright, so I don't even know why I'm not putting any health kits down. Okay, so they have Charlie. Let's go for it. Oh, there's a dude up top. There's three of them. Look at that. Oh, God, that was stupid of me. God. I had three guys on high ground shooting down at me, and I tried to throw that grenade. Alright, try this. Alright, Bravo. Look at, there it is. There they are. My guy's going up there, that's good. Looks like we're gonna get Bravo. There's a cat just... They spawn over here, or... Well, look at, we're going to take all these
We
things
have
out.
the throw. Objective Bravo.
Oh, see, they set up another spawn beacon, bro. Oh, they're just waiting on it. See? They're just waiting for another guy to spawn. Well, there's two of them here. I don't need to waste my time. They got that covered. Guy fixed that spawn beacon, and they just hammer away, bro. Thing of beauty. Alright, well, here's Charlie. This, like I said, Charlie's tough, man. Let me go over here. Charlie is tough, bro. Put on some health.
Objective Charlie.
Guy's above me. I know it.
Objective Charlie is now under our control.
Go up here. What the fuck was that? Oh, see, they know they're going down. Oh! That guy's just shooting grenade, rocket launcher. Shit, I just like fell out of the sky. Alright, see, look at, there's spawn beacon. Right over here, man. They love spawning over here.
Вражеского снайпера обнаружен.
Ah. I'm running with a good team here. They know what they're doing. $15 and 10, not bad. I mean, it could be better, but
Objective Alpha is neutralized.
whatever.
I've spotted an enemy sniper due west of your current
Oh,
position.
there he is. There's two of them. One dead. Hey, the M416 can go against snipers at a distance because it's so accurate. Now, this is almost over. Get bleeding tickets. I'm just gonna go up here, man. I don't need another death. This guy's got the right idea. Here's some help, bro. That's it! We won 146 to 0. Hope you enjoyed it.